And this is lemon, Jenna. What would you like?
Just put her hand in it.
Do you want just ice cream or do you want one of these?
She's gonna grab it.
Eat it.
I can
Just ice cream?
grabbing it.
You don't want any brownies? What kind of ice cream? Raspberry or chocolate
Brownie.
chip or
She's
both?
the dessert person.
The raspberry?
I can't believe your camera is still kicking.
Mine blew up.
Oh, look at this. Look at all the
years ago.
raspberry in it.
Come over here and get a picture
Oh,
of
wait a
it.
minute. We need
utensils.
Hey, Jeffrey.
Do you have spoons, Carmi?
Oh, or is it just
What is
the
that?
spoon? Do you see the couple spoons right there?
Oh.
Sorry.
Oh,
I didn't say anything.
She's too dainty.
Hey. Let her do it.
Do you have smaller plates? Or
She's like, ew.
She's like, I don't want
She
to know. She's like,
You want chocolate chips too?
I'm done.
are you done?
No?
She's like,
What is that?
What is it?
Oh,
She's like, let me play with it a little bit.
Yeah, hold on, Jen.
Look at
It's like, you guys are all making fun of me.
I like it.
Okay, now.
She's like, what is it?
You're not touching